Now I'm here to send a strong warning to all the 5 state governors we have here in Igbo land. Governor of Anambra State, Enugu State, Imo State, Ebonyi State, Abia. I'm here to send a strong warning to you people. Onyobuna Nimunu Gemonwe allow that these Fulanis will use him to conquer Igbo land, to fulfill their agenda. God of heaven, we judge all of you. God that created heaven and earth, we judge you that allowed yourself to be used. They are trying their best to mix us together with the Fulanis so that Nigeria cannot separate again. Because when the Fulanis will come in Igbo land, they will have their own state. In every state in Igbo land, in all over Nigeria, they will mix us together. How can we separate as a Biafra? If we want to separate as a Biafra, we cannot separate because in Anambra State, Fulani people have their own state in Anambra. In Enugu State, Fulani people have their own state in Enugu State. All the 5 states we have in Igbo land, Fulani people have their own state. We cannot separate anymore because they don't mix us together. That is why they are saying Luka, and Britain is in support of this Luka. But I'm telling Britain, they should remove their hand in Igbo land. Since you people join us together, our forefathers died. Millions of them died during the Biafra war because of one Nigeria. And Igbos are suffering today because of one Nigeria. I said it before that if our ancestors know that their children will suffer this thing that we are suffering today under the name of one Nigeria, they wouldn't permit Britain to join them together as one Nigeria.